Travelodge, London Beckton. So we packed in the morning, full of a well-stocked bar. There we go, some hotel art. Wonderful start, oh man. So, seems like the button for the second floor doesn't work. And so I've got to come up to the third to go down to the second, so lesson learned. Don't bother with the lift. So, Travelodge Beckton. Uh-oh. Hey. Okay, this is a Travelodge. The aircon is on. It is breezy. It is kind of chilly. So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a double bed with 2 pillows and 2 extra pillows up here. That is the art. I don't think I like it. It also looks a bit faded to me. But it's a Travelodge, you know. We've got power on either side of the bed. We've got power over here. We've got a tiny little kettle with no doubt Typhoon and maybe it's not Nescafe in here. What do they give you? Yeah, this stuff. Yeah, but from what I remember, it's pretty good. Although, is it both decaf? Ah, there we go. That's the stuff. And then, yeah, 2 tiny cups. That lamp, I feel, is new. Let's have a look at the view. We've got a sunset over DPD. Oh, can you see that? Oh, not quite. I think it's probably a lot brighter with real people's eyes rather than on the phone. But that is a nice sunset. And this is the view. I guess this is Beckton. I don't really know what's here apart from DPD and a Travelodge. What else have we got here? So these curtains look like the same ones that were in Greenwich, but I don't recall them being the same as some of the other Travelodges I've stayed in. Well, they look clean. The last couple of times I've stayed in a Travelodge, there we go, there's always going to be one stain, right? A bit dirty there too. But apart from that, this is exactly what you would expect. Nice clean shower. Oh, looks a bit lime scaly up there, but what are you going to do in it? And then, wow, the shower head that's sort of reminded me of the Blair Witch Project. You know, just staring at the wall. And then, yeah, one of these things with, you know, the body wash and stuff, which is usually okay. Sink looks, so, what's going on there? Bit dirty on the top, but everything else seems fine. Again, no complaints. That's weird. Door looks open. There's a little lip there. And yeah, a Samsung aircon, which I guess I control here. There you go, 20 degrees, so we can... Well, we always do, right? Let's do the bed test. Comfortable. Pillows. Yeah, good. Don't even need the extra pillows. We are okay. What can you say, right? It's a Travelodge. I think we've done enough of these now to kind of say that they're pretty cookie cutter, right? Some have newer designs, like the one in Docklands. That's a brand new design. They kind of advertise that on the website when you book. This is more old design, I suppose, old school. So it'll be similar to the one in Greenwich. But unlike the one in Greenwich, the receptionist was nice. I don't have Wi-Fi paid for this time, so I'm going to be reliant on data, but I've got loads of data, and the stuff that I've already downloaded. I've downloaded loads of stuff, so we should be fine. I'm actually going to have dinner downstairs later. We've just been to EGX, a show, so we've been there for, what, 9 hours, I guess? That's terrible maths. Actually, for me, it's probably right, so I probably haven't been there for 9 hours, but the guys started before me, so they would have been there for 9. So they would have been there slightly longer than me, so I think they just wanted to get back to the hotel, which is understandable. So even though it's a Friday night, no partying in London for us. And I'd be very surprised if there's partying tomorrow on a Saturday night. So I think we're just going to have some dinner downstairs. Travelodge is a solid 7s. I don't know how much we paid for this, by the way. Work paid for it. I've got a feeling it would be more than what I paid, but then again, it's a Friday and a Saturday stay, so I think we're talking. I think it was just under 100 for tonight, and I'm pretty sure it's just over 100 for tomorrow. But then, you know, that's also because it's probably busy because of the expo down the road. I'm gonna head down, grab some food. Alright, notice that there's a big space here. Everybody's eating except me. Bullshit. Back in the hotel room. Gonna have a cup of tea before bed, which might be silly, but whatever. So that food took an hour and a half to get to me. That's a long time, right? So tempted to cancel it, but I'm hungry, you know, so yeah, but I ended up having to eat burgers and chips at, what time was it? 9:45? It's not cool, man. I'm gonna have a cup of tea, probably maybe have a quick shower and read some comic books. I'm reading Deceased at the moment, and so far it's quite interesting. It's like a zombie take on the DC universe. Looking forward to seeing where it goes. But that's gonna boil. See ya. So I pointed out the shower yesterday and made some sort of Blair Witch kind of comment, but it's actually a lot worse than that. So the shower's actually broken, so it won't, you know, that's as good as it's gonna get. Yeah, it's a very gutted, a very sad, a very neglected shower. It just can't do its job. But it's hot and powerful. It just needs a chance, coach. Just put him in the game. Just give him an opportunity. That's all he needs. Just like Disney World. Time to go to Caribbean Beach. Get some of those pineapple pancakes.
Oh yeah, the drone guy's back there.
Is he? Oh yeah. So as pointed out, just there on the water, there's a guy water skiing, being dragged along by a drone. Let's try and get a closer look.
Yeah, it's cool. I'm not here for your fucking
There he goes. Oh, it's not a drone.
I was going to say, you got the tyres and the shit.
It's not a drone at all.
Oh, it's like a zip line.
Denied.
Oh, that's
We thought it was technology, but instead... Right, where are we now?
Thai places are finished fooding.
Oh, I think we're going to this Thai place. It's also a bar. Cabana. Oh, they've stopped. What's going on? Coffee place ahead of us. Perky blenders, very good, very good. Alright, just to give some context of where we are. So that way, so that is a big Jurassic World thing, so that's the Excel, so that's where we walked from. And yeah, let's get some food.
Oh, okay, thank you.
First out, justice.
You said Diet Coke out loud.
You're getting a selfie.
Let's see what it tastes like.
So Tony, you're
pretty
going
good.
home tomorrow, aren't you?
Oh, I'm filming, you're spoiling it.
You spoiled it.
Sorry.
That's fine. Alright guys, so last night in the hotel, a little bit of a kind of a quick ad hoc review, but I'm going to introduce you to my pals Sam and Joe, and I'm going to let them review the staff here. This is Joe, this is Sam.
Yo!
Go.
So overall the staff, it feels like it's like sort of a
Oh, here
three-star
comes
hotel,
Tina.
but the
Tina.
staff are really, really good. Like, I can't remember names, so I'm going to pull out the names quickly.
Alina and...
Alina and Akita.
Alina and Akita are really great staff, but the hotel is maybe
they're
3
five
star.
star. They're
but the
5-star staff.
5 stars and a 1
They're
star.
Easily great.
They're
people.
amazing. They don't deserve Travelodge, they deserve the Ritz.
Yeah, they should be at the top.
Make up your own minds. It's alright. Staff are pretty good, but it's fine. Morning. Final morning. Checking out shortly. Oh, my voice has gone. This is the first time I've spoken this morning. That's shouting over the noise and stuff. So I mentioned the shower yesterday. I showed the shower, and I thought I would show you how that has evolved this morning. This was kind of the reason why I didn't want to demo it properly yesterday, and I forgot sort of, and I put it on full whack. And this is what happened, and I did tell them last night it was broken. And I guess I'm going to have to tell them again that it's broken. I think it's simple, it's just a simple screw, but it's not fun being attacked by a shower in the morning. What a lovely artistic backdrop, which we may have seen before, I don't know. He's really gone, right, this voice? Let's battle through. So that concludes the stay at the Travelodge in Beckton. So a little bit about my time. So obviously I've been working the show, I've been working EGX. And it's funny, right, when I was here yesterday, the day before yesterday, I was saying to a friend, I haven't seen anybody that I know. Because again, it's still quiet, it's still coming back, I think. I don't know, there's a lack of familiar faces for me at least. And then that all changed yesterday. I think I saw maybe five or six people that I knew, and it was lovely actually. You know what? It was really nice to see some of them, and some were a surprise, some were kind of spoilery because the first person told me the others were coming. One was arranged, but what a pleasure to see friends, and so hopefully I'll see them again when I'm in London in the future. Meet up for a drink and stuff, but so far EGX has been really good from a personal point, just because those interactions have just pushed it up. So last night I shot a little video in the bar with two of my colleagues. Sure, they'd been drinking, but what they were saying is sort of accurate as well. I kind of got away with it, I think, in this room, you know, with the exception of the shower just falling off the wall. Some of the other guys have complained about blood in the carpet, on the walls or something. One of them has found like an apple in just like the hallway, just one bite taken out of it, just an apple just lying there in the corridor. A toenail was found. So I feel I've gotten away with it. Although actually one of my other colleagues had a room different to ours. They had like a super room. So they had a coffee maker and a Kit Kat, and she even made a video. So I'll see if I can get hold of that video, and if she's happy for me to share it. And if she is, I'll put Meg's video in right now.
Hi fans, it's me. I'm at another hotel, so I thought I'd give you a little tour. Also, I had to wear a high vis today because I was a contractor setting the stands up. But they made me pay for this, which is a bit cheeky. Anyway, so here's the mirror. Actually, we'll do it this way. Here's the door. So you come in, and I've got this wonderful bathroom. This is my bed. This is a nice painting. I think that's very artistic. I've got a nice chair here if I just want to chill out. I've got some things that I can play with there.
Kit Kats, like Kit Kats, luxury. Still Travelodge, but luxury. But what the guys were saying last night is the staff here, especially those two ladies on the bar. Yeah, they're a credit to Travelodge. Really good humoured, really kind of helpful. Yeah, they're the stars. I don't want to let other people's opinions on their stay kind of, influence mine, because Travelodge is Travelodge. You come in, the bed is fine. I've slept well. My room is pretty clean, really. The shower is stupid, but generally, it's been an okay stay, so I can't complain. Not too badly. I won't be coming here again probably because it's a bit far out. Yeah, I don't even think the link's very good for me to make this work. So if I end up here again, I will be very surprised. I am going for the final day, EGX. I'm on the train coming home, which is awesome because, I'm working so they can pay for it. So I'll get home a little earlier. And yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe. Do it now. Take care, everybody. Goodbye. Bye. No voice.